The power for massive change lives inside your mind. However, your conscious and subconscious mind has been conditioned to tell you what you have to do, but not what you want to do. If you only had a one-on-one mentor to help you retain your consciousness and build the future life you desire, well, now you do. With MasterKit, the world's most innovative well-being app, designed to target your specific limiting beliefs that only you know and want to change. Confidentially and in real time, you will learn to overcome your fears, eliminate negativity, gain inner peace, and discover your true life purpose. Scientifically proven and currently in use by over 70,000 users worldwide, our technology will guide you in achieving the mindset needed so you can realize the life that you desire. You are no longer alone. MasterKit, the journey starts today.